how to mark an invoice as paid on QuickBooks. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll put you to how you can mark an invoice as paid on QuickBooks. So let's get right into it. The first thing to do is to log in into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then also you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page automatically where you can see other options, all right, such as the bookmarks, menu, dashboard, sales, customers and leads, etc. And then on the main page, you'll see other options as well. So as you can see, this next step is move to the left side of the screen again and then click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, you would see some options under customers, vendors, teams, and then order. Then you go to the customers option because that is where we are heading to. Then under it, click on receive payment. Once click on receive payment, another page will be displayed, all right, showcasing the receive payment option. Now in this page, the next thing to do is to enter the customer name in here, the email and the email, so I can find the invoice number. All right, again, input the customer name, that is the customer you sent an invoice to, the email of the customer, and then once you do that, you click on find by invoice number, and from there the invoice whose customer with the customer name and the email is being displayed would be found out. And then next thing is to select the payment method, the reference number, the deposit, note, attachment if possible, and then by the right side you can see amount field, enter this in, and then once you're done, click on save and close at the lower right side of the screen. And then once you've done that, you can also click on print, which is at the middle of the screen. And then once you've done that, the invoice will automatically be marked as paid. All right, that is how it works. Very, very simple. Just follow these procedures and that particular invoice will be marked as paid. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.